Welcome back. We have a brand new trade day, Thursday, 4/9. Right away, we open with a channel as price is staying here around the 50, giving us a pretty long channel, just like that. Now we're waiting for Asia to open. Now we closed yesterday with this high, but I'm thinking that this is a pullback and continuation. Let's see what happens. Now I do have a daily pop out down here it might engage with, and I have a 4-hour pop out up here that it already engaged with. So there's my support and resistance, my fences for the day. I've got my closer channel. And then for this session, we have a 50 play right here. Okay, right in there. So I expect it to make its trap move now below or above the 50, in this 50 channel right here. It looks like I have this low channel. So this might indeed be the low for the day, or at least the Asia low. Right in here, I don't know if you can see this, and this just takes some time in the chair to recognize this, but there's a brand new cycle starting right here at this doji. I don't expect you guys to see this, but this isn't super confirmed for me. I do have a pop out. I do have now my M stayed in. I mean, this is a perfect short setup. And if you fell for this, it's okay. Market makers are in the business of making money. Honestly, I think I did fall for this too. Once you see a new cycle, you are going to want to start counting. Level 1, I see there is a 2. It repeated 2. So there might be one more hit low. I'm just going to watch to see. Yeah, there's that daily pop out right there. Okay, so that is your 1, 2, 3, and your entry would be right here. So your long entry would go at this green-red cross right there. According to our rules, you would have taken this one short. And let's see what would have happened. 100, 150. There we go. Okay, and it would not have gone. It would have stopped right here. So if you would have entered right here, this trade would not have produced for you. It didn't go the full 30. All right, so you would have lost this trade if you were trading according to 3x30 rules. So this is a day when that would have failed you. No big deal. We're allowed to lose, okay? Losing is built into the numbers. That is very much okay. Now I'm going to show you the real trade. The real trade was right here. It came in London. Now, if you would have gone long, if you would have seen this low and you would have seen these higher time frame EMAs, I just don't have it on this chart, but you can see them over here. This is SHIU and DXY. You would have seen that this is very much pointing up, going north. If you can see 1, 2, 3, and it's all divergent here. First run low, and then it starts staying inside the bands, telling you that it is closing higher and it's getting ready to start moving north. So let's see how this long trade would have played out. And I expected to stop and kind of mess around here at this channel. Let's see if it does. Ooh, and it just soars right above them. So the fact that this thing soared through tells me that, yeah, there were a lot of other people who thought that it was a short as well. So if you fell for this, almost everyone did, okay? Don't kick yourself in the butt if you fell for that. I'm pretty sure I did too, to be honest. All right. But that's the beauty of replay, and this is why we study all of our trades. So on this one, how do we want to mark this one? Because we wouldn't have seen it according to our rules. There are some other nuances here, like I said, that you would have been able to see it, but on our rules, we wouldn't have. So let's go ahead and take our picture to show us the very best trade we could have gotten from this. Take a screenshot as your most perfect entry for Thursday, 4/9, and add it to your trade log. Please keep in mind that this was a Thursday setup going into the Friday close. So expect a little play around the Thursday going into Friday.